Hi, welcome to Think Thursday. Should I say Taco Thursday? No, Taco Tuesday. Okay, so this is the first of many to come. Hopefully, my schedule allows, but the idea is I want to walk you through. So this could be like a dummy for data engineering kind of, book. But the thing is, I get the question a lot. What is data engineering? How can I get into data engineering? What do I need? All that cool, fun question. And I thought, let's learn together. We break it, we learn from it, and we just, push on from there. So, the objective and the goal for today is pick, what's your goal? I want to understand the stock market. How am I going to get my data? Via Twitter. What do I need? Some stock trading accounts, more than one. And yeah, so that's it. Let's dig right in. Do I hear the drum roll? Okay, so like I said, I already have an account I want to look at. The idea really here is pick what you're interested in. I'm interested in the stock market because, make some more money. I just want to understand it. That way, maybe I can make some more money. You might be interested in sales for Macy's or Boohoo. You'll grab their Twitter handle. Or you're interested in something else about furnitures or healthcare. A lot of people have been doing a lot of healthcare analysis, especially with COVID going on right now. Just go for it. That's your goal. The idea is we work on the same project or we follow the same map, but I we probably might be using different, screen names and all of that. I think the concept is actually transferable, so let's go. I have my Twitter accounts, I have the API, the token, and all of that set up. I have the Nigerian Stock Exchange market screen name. That's what I'm looking at. And I will do something right here. So I, you know, create like a basic data frame structure. I want the full text that comes from the Twitter. I want the data was created. I want to see the engagement, so the likes, how you like the tweets, the retweets. I'll probably get some of the hashtags. Based on that, I can see what, people are really talking about. That's what I want for now. From there, I can build on from there. So I'm going to run this script first. I'm going to comment that out just because I want to show you all something. So that's our tweet. We send our Twitter API requests. We want the Nigerian Stock Exchange market. We pass that through our data frame structure. We convert that whole object into a data frame. And so it helps with the presentation. That way we can actually just get a little teeny tweeny kind of like insight into it. And then I just want to print the first four rows. Let's just see what's going on. And yeah, I'm doing everything here just because I don't want to switch screens. And yeah, so let's run that. I have everything running on my virtual environment because I don't want to mess up every other dependency that might be on my local. So that's why I have it in a virtual environment. But whatever you're comfortable with, it's going to work just fine. So while we're waiting, I can play my favorite song of the year, which is no. Can you guys? Okay, we have our results now. That was fast. So this is our full text. You can basically just say some things there: ETF market, NSE collaborations. They have some capitalization text, stuff like that. I don't know much about the stock market, so after today, I'm gonna be reading some more, watch some YouTube videos to understand what the stock market is about. But while that is going on, I thought, okay, you know what? I can pick one keyword. We saw the ETF market, right? We can decide to say, when I need some key terms. If those key terms are present, then maybe this data means something. It's like when you see sales, 70%, flash sales, you want to know when it's going to end, those kind of things. You see, oh, house is open. If you're looking at real estate, oh, the housing market, what's going on, the closing deal, the closing date, those kind of keywords, you want to get them and be able to analyze them further on. So now we're just exploring the data. We have our objective and our goal. We're just trying to explore the data to see what it is. So I will run this again. And while that's running, let's play our song. Yes. Oh, so yeah, I get that because sometimes I reach my try limits for like the 15 minutes. Twitter has this thing with oh yeah, I should post that. Twitter has this thing with like 15 minutes, whatever. I think I have that set on my API authentication thingy. Do I have that set? Yeah, I have the wait on limit set there to true, so that probably helps, but maybe not. Maybe not. So the whole idea really is just for you to see what that is. So let's clear that and run again. Should go this time. Okay, music. I don't think you have to wait for Christmas to actually play a Christmas song. That's for me, so yeah, it's every time. Okay, so we have our results now, and you see we have a mention of ETF market here, and this just kind of returns like a true. Yes, we have that, and that's just the basics. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you can build on this before next week Thursday. You understand the data a little bit more, and we can pull more data and be able to model the data and just go on from there and see how this turns out. So bits and bits, 10 minutes, so you learn it, don't sweat it so much. The whole idea is we want to get a rough look to be able to determine, is this data good or not? Can it help us? If not, all of that cool, fun stuff. Thanks a lot for, watching the video. If you like it, share, comment. If you don't like it, comment, and share. Okay. Thanks a lot, and I hope to catch you up next Thursday. So keep thinking, keep, just being you. Have fun. Bye bye.